Alright, so when I'm out and about, in addition to my regular kit here, I'll often bring extra tools, extra materials along the way. So what I've been doing lately is carrying in this plastic tote here. Not like this, but you know, I'll carry it in this box, and I can tell you that it gets disorganized, gets everything messed up along the way. So today I want to make a partition system for this to keep it a little more orderly, a little cleaner from point A to point B. So that's what we're going to do today. For building materials, I'm going to be using this 1/4-inch sheet of Baltic plywood and some little tiny hinges. So I'm going to want to put a partition right down the middle here. So in order to get the contour, I've made myself a little template out of cardboard and painter's tape. So basically that'll outline all those little ribs and whatnot on the inside.
It fits like a glove, Captain.
So now the dividers are done, I want to make some doors to cover up these openings. So there's two ways I could do it. The first way would be to make it flush and fit inside the perimeter, or make them slightly oversized, which I'm going to do because that'll basically allow for some extra stability all around the perimeter. So I'm going to attach the hinges and then mount the doors, and then this thing should be ready for testing.